Really quick, I want to preface that number one, the oven is not on, and two, this is how I found my cat Connor on the baking tray that I had made chicken on the other day. And I put it on the floor the night before, or Dad did, so that the cats could, clean the chicken bits off of it and that kind of thing before I threw it in the dishwasher. So I found my cat laying on it. And so Dad and I decided to be mean, and Dad thought it was funny. So he's recording from my iPhone for this, and I am surprised that Connor allowed me to not only move him on the baking tray, but to put him back on it a couple of times, and then get him in the oven and pull the door to. The look on his face was like, "Mom, what are you doing?" But he basically did it to himself by laying on the tray. And so, cat, it's what's for dinner. And no, he's perfectly fine. The oven wasn't on. He slept on my bed that night and was perfectly fine. This is my 9-year-old cat who I've had since he was 12 weeks old. So he pulls shit on me too. So tit for tat. Hopefully you get a laugh out of it like Dad and I did. Towards the trash can so you can see the lift.
I still have a red dot. Does that mean...
Is it circle?
No, it's a square.
Okay, it should be recording.
It's recording.
Okay. Connor, are we dinner?
A dinner escape.
Hang on, let me see if I can put dinner back on the tray.
I don't think so.
I got 3 cats running. Uh-oh. What are you going to my room for? Hey. Are you going to hold it for yourself? Okay.
Dinner's running off.
Shit, you mean I gotta get it again? Alright. Oh, I gotta hiss that.
Oh! You're saying dinner's got an attitude?
Oh, I gotta hiss that again.
Oh!
Well, you were laying on this all by yourself. Mommy's just trying to relocate you.
I don't think he likes the idea. Yeah, maybe.
Now how am I supposed to get the oven on when get back here? I didn't have it in my oven. Come here.
Get the brakes on?
Hiding behind the TV. Okay, let's see if I can put it in the oven with it on the tray. Oh, look at the tail.
He's all bundled up. It's like, I don't want to go in there.
He's like, oh shit.